So in this video, we are going to see how to handle multi-mode distribution. Like here you can see longitude, latitude, these are, you can see longitude and latitude, and housing median age also has multi-mode distribution. Here you can see there are more than one peaks. Here you can see in longitude, one peak is here and second peak is here, and here mm, at latitude here is one peak and second peak is here, and in housing median age we can consider it as this is uh, my peak first peak and this is my second peak. But here for total rooms there is only one peaks, and all the rest plots has only one peaks. So so in previous videos we saw how to handle these type of distribution, which are called heavy tail distributions. Here you can see there are heavy distribution, heavy tail, and the distribution. But in these distribution, this is multi-mode distribution. So how to handle multi-mode distribution? One approach is bucketization. I cover the videos of bucketization. You can watch that video. So, but in this case, in case of multi-mode distribution, bucketization done based on categorical value, not numerical value. जैसे कि हमने इसमें देखा था बकेटाइजेशन में, हमने बकेटाइजेशन किया था। सो यहाँ पे हमने बकेटाइजेशन किया था टोटल बेडरूम का, इसका। सो हमने जो वैल्यू मिली थी हमको, हमने इस वैल्यू को किस में कन्वर्ट किया था, न्यूमेरिकल वैल्यू में कन्वर्ट किया था। लेकिन हम जब मल्टी मोड डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन होगा तो हम इसको इसको हम बकेटाइजेशन करेंगे, तो हम इसको इसको किस में चेंज करेंगे, कैटेगोरिकल वैल्यू में। क्योंकि न्यूमेरिकल वैल्यू में क्यों नहीं चेंज करेंगे, क्योंकि जैसे कि हम इसको न्यूमेरिक बकेटाइजेशन करके न्यूमेरिकल वैल्यू में टोटल बेडरूम को चेंज करना चाहते हैं, तो हम वैल्यूज जैसे जीरो से यहाँ पे ये 3000 तक के, जीरो से 1000 को हम क्या बोल सकते हैं, एक, और 1000 से 2000 को दो, और 2000 से 3000 को हम तीन वैल्यू से रिप्लेस कर सकते हैं, न्यूमेरिकल वैल्यू से रिप्लेस कर सकते हैं। लेकिन अगर अपन जैसे कि इस लैटिट्यूड को 0 से 34 के बीच के लैटिट्यूड को हम एक, और 34 से 36 के लैटिट्यूड को दो करेंगे, तो आप देख सकते हो 0 से 34 के बीच में थोड़ी वैल्यू ज़्यादा है। यानी 0 से 34 के बीच में जो वैल्यूज है उनकी वैल्यूज ज़्यादा है, रिकॉर्ड्स ज़्यादा है। एक फिक्स रिकॉर्ड्स नहीं है, कोई फिक्स पैटर्न फॉलो नहीं कर रहा है, लेकिन इसमें फिक्स पैटर्न फॉलो कर रहा है कि 0 से 2 के बीच में ऊपर की तरफ जा रहा है, हाई रिकॉर्ड्स हो रहा है, और फिर बाद में रिकॉर्ड घट रहे हैं। तो इसमें ऐसा नहीं है, यहाँ पे ऊपर नीचे बार बार हो रहा है। तो अपन अगर इसको न्यूमेरिकल वैल्यू 1 2 3 4 में कन्वर्ट कर देंगे, तब 4 ग्रेटर देन 3 होता है, 4 ग्रेटर देन 1 होता है, तो यहाँ पे अपना मॉडल परफॉर्म अच्छा नहीं करेगा। तो इन केस ऑफ मल्टी मोड डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन we should convert we should bucketize the feature into categorical values, not numerical values. So जैसे कि यहाँ पे लास्ट केस में हमने न्यूमेरिकल वैल्यू में लास्ट में कन्वर्ट कर दिया था, इसको न्यूमेरिकल वैल्यू में कन्वर्ट कर दिया था। जैसे यहाँ पे अभी चेक कर लेते हैं, हाउसिंग इज इक्वल टू डी एफ। नाउ हाउसिंग टोटल, हाउसिंग यहाँ पे चेक कर लेते हैं हाउसिंग। सो अब ये जो टोटल बेडरूम है, इसमें मैंने इनको न्यूमेरिकल वैल्यू में कन्वर्ट कर दिया है। जैसे कि आप ऐसे चेक कर सकते हैं, हाउसिंग डॉट इन्फो से चेक भी कर सकते हैं, हाउसिंग डॉट इन्फो से चेक भी कर लो। देखो यहाँ पे मैंने टोटल बेडरूम को इसमें फ्लोट 64 में कन्वर्ट किया है। लेकिन यहाँ पे अगर बैकेटाइजेशन अप्लाई करेंगे मल्टी मोड डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन में, तो हम फ्लोट अप्लाई नहीं करेंगे, हमको कैटेगरी चाहिए। मतलब ये कैटेगरिकल बकेटाइजेशन होगा, ना कि न्यूमेरिकल बकेटाइजेशन। So I think you understood the concept of bucketization, when apply, which bucketization apply in which case. So 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 there is second approach is to add a similarity feature to each distribution, each modes, actually here modes, like here you can see at latitude this 38 latitude. For 38 we can measure a similarity measure, means a feature I we can add a new feature which represent the similarity between phi latitude 38. You understood, I think, that my feature is one I added a feature which representing the similarity to latitude 38. And I can add also this one, uh, my one more feature which representing my similarity to latitude 34. So we can add here two new features, but we should, if we are using, if there is multimode distribution, we should add at least one feature, at least one new feature for main modes we can add for these two also. Or if there are multi-mode, means there are three, there can be three modes as well. In this case you can see there are three modes, we can consider this as a mode also. So we can add three feature as well, two feature as well, one feature for, but at least you should add one feature. So how we can do that? So we can do that using the RBF function. This is radial basis function. So it is actually, it measure the similarity between 2 points. So how we can apply this? You can see here. So I first we have to import this module, this function from scikit-learn.matrix.pairwise. So let's check this out. So if I want to add some features for this housing median age, so I can see here there is a one mode at here, at 35, approx 35 there is one peak, and at 15 there is one peak, one more peak, at 16 there is one more peak. And someone can say this is also a peak. So this is not a peak, this is a upper cap. Database distribution team applied a upper cap that after 5000 year, after 100 year we are going to set 50 year max. So this is upper cap, this has to be removed. But in pure form there is only two peak, and we can consider this also a peak, but I am considering there is two peak at 15 and at 35. So let's add a new feature at which represent what it is represent similarity between age 35, means age 35 and age 15. So we can do like this. So my transformer is, so age similarity 35 is equal to RBF kernel, then on which we have to apply housing, and then housing median age. uh, what was this? Housing median age. So housing median age, then we have to define the points as well. 35, so this 35, and then I have to specify gamma. So I am specifying gamma. H gamma is 0.1. So now check what is age simil 35. Age simil 35, uh, this age simil 35. So it is throwing an error. So what is the error? We have to reshape if your data set is single feature. So we have to, because it is data series now, so let's convert it to data frame. So now you can see it converted the values means it find the similarity from, for housing median age it find the similarity for, you can see, for 30 the similarity is less, for 20 similarity is more less, for 10 similarity even more less, and for 0 there is minimum similarity. Uh, so we are adding one more for 15. For 16 I am calculating, so is similarity 16, and this housing median age, and I am putting here 16. It will going to convert this. So is simil 16. This is simil 16. So let's check out how it is its value is distributed. So I am copying pasting this code, two line of code. So it will, so this here you can see at 35 you can see there is high value for for this is similarity feature for 35, similarity between two values, when for 35 and 35 maximum similarity, for 40 35 minimum, and for 30 45 minimum. So its graph will be like this. Here you can see, and gamma change the peakness of this. Here you can see this is the peakness. So if I change the value 0.0.1 to 0.001, so how it will convert. So let's check this out here, and it is, I am not changing for 16, and now check this out. So there is no change. So actually I 0.01 actually I have to change, not so. Here you can see now a similarity feature for this is this, and for this is this, and its value belong to 0 to 1. So for here it is 0. So I think this is perfect featuring. Similarity is showing. So I will add these two feature to our original data set. So how to add this? Just add housing, then similarity feature, housing age simil 35, 35 is equals to housing is equals to pd dot data frame is equal to this is not the data frame, can we assign an array to him? So let's check this out. Age simil 35. So yeah, we can assign this, and for 16 we can also do this. Control A, Control C, housing IMY, Control C, and then Control V, and change the value 16, and then change the value here 16. So this H. Now check housing. Here you can see. Now here you can see age similarity 35 has been added, and age similarity 16 has been added. So we have to drop, because this is multi-modes and it will cause some issue, so we can drop it. So how we can drop it? Housing is equal to now housing dot drop, what I need to drop median what I have to drop, housing median age, housing median age, housing median age, I have to drop at from axis 1 means from column. So my housing will be like this. Then my housing will be like this. Control Shift. Now you can see housing similarity has been dropped. So we can drop for all latitude, longitude, latitude, and convert it to another similarity features. So in next video we will see more about this. So thanks for watching this video. See you in next one.